Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, how's it going, all of you beautiful subscribers? Today is something I like to call a pajama day. What this means in the business world and the programming world is pretty much all of the work that I'm going to be doing today is going to be on this computer, and it's going to be a really long time of just sitting down at this desk. And there's really two big things I want to get done on the computer today. One of which is making Joisk worldwide. We'll get back to that in a second and what that means. And the second of which is posting the first live design on joisk.com for sale. So that's going to be exciting. So what is worldwide, you ask? Well, it's kind of like this. When I initially coded Joisk, the website, I only really planned on making the initial 1.0 available to people that were pretty much English speakers. What this meant is that if you were to type in anything into Joisk, if you did not use English letters or Latin letters as we call it, then the site would not function properly. So again, if someone randomly in Saudi Arabia, actually that's a bad example right now, someone in Japan were to type in some Japanese lettering into Joisk, and maybe their name is in Japanese and they have different lettering, if they were to type that into Joisk, you could not sign up for the site. But that is all about to change. So this is going to be a giant update to truly make Joisk a worldwide platform, and I'm really excited for it. Okay, so we are just going to quickly check to see if some foreign or special international characters can now be registered. So before, if I were to type in a character like this, let's do E with a whatever, that's a French one, right? An E with like a little house over it. And now we're going to type in another one here for the last name. We're going to type in, again, this is just the test server. So this is actually not going to be a live account. For this email address, we'll just type in asdf@asdf.com. Password, who cares, and same thing. All right, let's see if it works. Let's see if special characters can now be entered. Correct. See, we are officially registered, and an email will be sent to that account. Hopefully no one owns that account. asdf@asdf.com. They're going to be getting an email, so that's unfortunate. I forgot to shut that off. But anyways, it looks like it worked, and it looks like it got entered into the database, so that's great. This is good. Now we get to move on to the next topic. Now, finally, we are going to do something that you've all wanted to see. We are actually going to upload the first design to Joisk.com. Let's do it. And here's how easy it is. Just go to click to create a design. Now obviously this is still a very basic layout, but we're gonna continue here. Choose file. Now we are going to pick out the Chimp Life logo that that we've been practicing with. So that nice Chimp Life logo right there. Beautiful. We're gonna put it both in blue and in white. So we're gonna make it available in both. Now we're gonna call this the Chimp Life t-shirt. I think that we're just gonna call it Chimp Life for now. Maybe I'll put in t-shirt after. Let's just do t-shirt. Chimp Life t-shirt, keywords, t-shirt, shirt, clothing, apparel, monkey. Like, I don't know, I'm just trying to think of anything. This is what you should do for keywords. Gorilla, I don't know, what else is there? Why not Joe Rogan? Why not? We're gonna target them anyways. Another version of t-shirt. I think that's, what else? I don't even know what else to write there. Now, you should try to fill out your keywords if you're doing this. Although you don't have to max them out, it's recommended. So we'll just put funny, meme, why not? Though, you know what, that's good enough. That's a lot of keywords here. Now we are going to price this t-shirt. Let's just test it out, $21.99. I might change this after. I might actually just switch back to $19.99 after. But as you can see here, if I was a third-party seller, I'd be making a $2 profit just for uploading this design. Now for the description, we'll just write a few just very generic things that I might change later. So 100%, you know, high quality. Oh, whoops. High quality. Cotton, I guess. Put machine washable. I don't even know what to write for the description, to be honest. You know what? We're gonna leave the description like this for now. If I think of anything else, I can always go back and edit it. But for now, I don't want to just waste your time. So we're just gonna click create a shirt, and this should be the first shirt posted to Joisk. Alright, cool, and it worked, finally. So we have the 4 sizes, we have the 4 different kinds here. We have the large and medium of both colors, and there we go, it is finally done. Now this has to get approved, and then we will see if it pops up in search results. Give me 1 second. Okay, it looks like our product got approved. Now we're going to type into the search bar, chimp, and see what pops up. There we go. Now see, all of the 4 different types come up. I will most likely change that going into the future, so maybe the favorite color pops up, but for now, to help even fill out the site a little bit, all of their results are going to be popping up here. So this is what it looks like. Now let's click on the page here, make sure this all works. Great. Look at that. We actually have a t-shirt. Now let's see if the sizes work here. Go to medium. This is amazing. So this is the first t-shirt that has been posted onto Joisk.com. Now, if you guys want to order it, by the way, whoever orders it, by the way, like even if it's a random person, I'm probably just going to give them a shout out, I'll give them a shout out for like their first name in like whatever country they're from or something like that. I won't reveal their information or anything, but their specifics. But if you guys want to buy it and be the first purchaser of a t-shirt on Joisk, then go ahead and I'll leave a link down in the description for some of these. And yeah, and I can actually record me making the t-shirt if you guys buy it, and so that could be kind of cool, me recording me making the shirt and then shipping it off to you. So that would be pretty cool, but it's up to you guys. I'll leave a link down below if you want to. For now, I think that this is going to close out this part of the video, so let's see what's next. Up next is, I guess, making more designs. So this design is up, so we have to make more designs, and then we have to start marketing. We have to start, I want more designs to fill out the site more so that when people land on the site, it's not just completely empty. That's a big thing. But yeah, so those are the next videos. So I'd like to thank you very much and for watching, and this is going pretty well. It's kind of cool how this is all coming together now. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this process so far. You are all very beautiful people. Remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below if you want to continue along this journey and see if I can keep building this t-shirt company into something more. Or you want to see me start some other companies in the next few weeks. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. You're all very beautiful people. I'll see you guys in the next video.